Hi, I am Priyanka Verma and I am a documentary filmmaker and a cinematographer. I absolutely loved coming to North Cap University. I came here as a guest speaker as part of the Media Fest 2024. This was to conduct a workshop on cinematography. I think it's very important for young film students to understand why they pick up the camera when they go out to shoot, understand how they can compose shots. So the basics and the fundamentals are very important to be fine-tuned and polished. And today that's what I did in the workshop, and the kids who I met today were very excited to take part in the workshop, were very engaged. I really liked the fact that I was able to do a participatory kind of approach where, the students could take active part in what they were learning by creating some of the things that I asked them to do through several games, fun exercises, and I'm taking a lot back with me as well. So thank you so much, North Cap University.